Mama Zazie, and she's going boo-wow over her lost babies. And only Askari knows where they are.
Flitter! Flap!
Oh, but Mama Zazie's a bug-eating bird.
Help! Put me down! Help!
What should I do? What should I do? Wait, I am an Askari, a bodyguard. If I am to live up to my name, I know precisely what I must do. Oh! In there! Askari must go into that deep, dark hole.
And you should be very proud. For not only are you a fruit bat, but you're also a member of the brave and daring Flying Foxes.
I am a flying fox? If only Askari could hear this.
What a life! You get to stay up all night, eat messy food, and hang upside down all you want. It's cool being a bat!
Stellaluna!
Askari?
Stella, there's no time to waste. Mama Bird has been taken by the great white owl.
Oh no!
Our mom?
That owl has caused too much trouble.
Maybe we can stop them if we all work together.
Hey, this is between those birds and that owl.
Mama, do you feel that way? She took care of me.
We need to hurry. We haven't got much time.
Thank you. Let's go teach that owl a lesson.
And you call yourselves the brave and daring Flying Foxes.